Hey there, Samsung TV owners. Got a blinking red light? Let's fix it together. Step 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug it, wait 60 seconds, press and hold the TV's power button for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the system. Step 2. Check the power outlet. Test it with another device, and if you're using a power strip, plug the TV directly into the wall. Step 3. Inspect the power cable. Ensure it's firmly connected and undamaged. Try a replacement if possible. Step 4. Use the physical power button or a different remote. Replace remote batteries if needed. Step 5. Disconnect all external devices. Sometimes they cause startup issues. Step 6. Shine a flashlight on the screen. If you see a faint image, it could be a backlight or power board issue. Step 7. For the confident and warranty-free folks, inspect the power board inside the TV. Look for damaged parts. Step 8. If all else fails, contact Samsung support. They'll guide you from there. Stay safe and happy watching.